I'm Neno from Takalani Sesame, and I'm looking for the word on the street. What's the word on the street? Dog. A dog is an animal that can do a job, or is a pet. Doggy, doggy, doggy.
Dog. Inja.
Inja.
There are lots of different kinds of dogs. They need water and exercise to stay healthy.
India.
Inja.
Hond.
Keep listening for the word dog today on Takalani Sesame. Dog, that's the word on the street. Musha,
Yeah.
here comes the ball.
Okay.
Kick it, kick it.
It's gone. It's...
Where did it go?
Hey.
Hello, little doggy. Where did you come from? Neno doesn't understand dog. What is dog trying to tell Neno?
Hey guys. Ah, boy.
Zikwe! Does Zikwe speak dog?
Of course, Neno.
Zikwe,
Yeah.
ask the dog what he wants. Yeah.
Okay.
What does he say, Zikwe? What does he say?
Yeah.
Hey guys, he says he's lost.
You.
Hey guys,
Kami.
Hello.
who's this?
But this is dog, and Neno thinks that this dog is lost.
Oh, that is sad. And he's not wearing a collar. He must be lost.
Oh no! What are we gonna do? Neno has said that you are lost, dog. What will we do?
Oh, don't worry, Neno. We can find his owner. Oh.
The dog is thirsty.
Yeah.
Musha also understands dog.
He's panting like this. Yeah, that means he's thirsty. I have some water at my stall, ne?
Yeah.
I can take the dog and give it cold, clean water.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you, Musha.
Doggy, come. Come, let's go. Come with me, doggy. Just follow me, ne? Come, doggy. Come, doggy. Come, doggy. Come.
Bye, doggy. Guys, how are we gonna find the dog's owner?
Hey guys. We could stand on the corner and shout out, "Hello! Anybody lost a dog? Hello!" Huh? Yeah.
Or we could put up a picture of dog and ask the owner to call us.
That's a great idea, Kami.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Toto? Toto? Hello?
Oh,
You can help me. I have lost my dog.
Oh, does your dog look like this?
Let me see. That looks a little like my dog. But the nose, it's too big.
Does your dog look like this?
The nose is just right, but my dog's ears are shorter.
Come have a look at Neno's picture.
That could be my dog. But, oh no! The tail! Hey! The tail is too big.
Hey, doggy. Come, doggy. Come, doggy. Come.
Toto! Oh, Toto's says thank you for finding him and looking after him so well, Neno.
Oh, you're welcome. Nino's just glad that dog has found its home.
Oh. I'm a dog trainer, and Toto is a very special dog. He's trained to dance and do all kinds of tricks.
Wow!
Oh, we have a dog show close by. Do you want to come and see it?
Yes!
Then let's go.
Someday. Here come, guys. The dog show.
Oh, hello. Today's word is dog. There are lots of different kinds of dogs. Some dogs are pets. But on today's show, I want you to meet a dog who does very special work.
Does the dog fly aeroplanes, Kami?
No, Neno. He doesn't fly aeroplanes like a pilot.
Or does he catch fish like a fisherman?
No, Neno. He doesn't do that either.
But then, what important job does the dog do?
He is called a guide dog. And he works as the eyes for someone who can't see.
Hi, Kami and Nino.
Hello.
My dog helps me do everything. We're off to the station to catch a train. Bye.
Bye.
Wow, that is amazing.
Yes, guide dogs are amazing dogs. Dog.
We said wherever we go, there are so many words that we know. Tomato, train, teacher. Nina thinks we should see them all again. All the things that start with the letter T. Look at tomato. Does tomato start with the letter T? That's right. Let's find another one. What is that? Train. Does train start with the letter T? Train starts with the letter T. Look, there's one more. Does teacher start with the letter T? Yes, it does. Teacher starts with the letter T. Nana loves things that start with the letter T. Oh, wait for Nana! Wait for Nana! Mushy,
Yeah.
Nana would like a pet.
Ah, what kind of pet would you like, Nino?
Nana would like,
Eh?
Nana would like a donkey.
Ah, well, you know, a big part of having a pet, Nino, is feeding it. And donkeys, yup, they eat a lot of food. Yeah.
Maybe Nana should think of another kind of pet.
Yeah.
La 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 la, la 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 la, Nana's world. La 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 la, la 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 la, Nana's world. Nana loves his goldfish, his crayons too. That's Nana's world. Hello, this is Nana's world, and Nana is so happy to see you. Oh, so is Dorothy. Say hello, Dorothy. She said, how's it? Can you guess what Nana is thinking about today? Everyone's barking. Yeah, you know. Turkeys! Woof, woof! Nina's friend Casey just got a new puppy and told Nina all about it. Casey's new puppy's name is Buddy. There he is! Hi, Buddy! The first thing that Casey did when she got Buddy was to give him a special place in the house. Look at that! He really loves it! Then, Casey and her dog got 2 balls drink. The other bowl is for food. Buddy eats puppy food. He really loves it. Casey gives Buddy his puppy food and water every day. Buddy is getting to be a big puppy. Casey also got him a cute little comb so she could keep Buddy's fur neat and clean. And she got him a puppy toy to play with. Casey and Buddy love to play together. But the most important thing that Casey gives Buddy is love. And Buddy loves it too. Yeah. Nana can talk to some dogs. Okay, dogs, tell us about yourselves.
Arf, woof.
Oh, they have great noses for sniffing. They're great tail waggers when they are happy. Oh, yeah! Dorothy wants us to sing the dog song. Come on, everybody! Say goodbye, Dorothy! Yeah! Say goodbye, doggies!
The number of the day is 9. Step on the 9. Very good, Fred. Step on the 9 this way. Oh! Let's tap 9 times. Tap, 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 tap. 9. 9 is the number of the day. Hey! That was fun, Bert.
Hurry, Uncle, hurry. My name is Tiamo and I'm 5 years old. And today we're visiting a pet shop. I'm so excited. Wow, Uncle, there's a parrot. Pet shops have all kinds of animals. They have guinea pig, rabbits, a rock lizard, and chickens. I don't like these ones. They're too furry. Yes, I like this one. Uncle says these dogs are called Jack Russell. Oh, it's such a gentle dog. Come, little dog, let me give you a kiss. Uncle says if we want a dog, we have to get ready for it first. So today we have to get something the dog needs, like leash for walks, a bowl for its food, a toe bone so it can chew and chew, and a bed for it to sleep.
Wait, guys,
there are so many bones to choose from. I like this one. I'm going home to get my house ready for a pet.
Mushy,
Yeah.
Nana can't have a donkey, but Nana still wants a pet.
Oh, what kind of pet are you thinking of, Nana?
Nana wants to have a...
Hey? Hey.
Nana wants to have a chicken.
Ah, you know, Nana, to have a pet, you have to keep your pet clean.
You do?
Yeah. And chickens, they like rolling around in the dust a lot. Yeah.
Okay, Nana will think of another pet.
Okay. Yeah.
Whoa, you're in frame, doggy. Good doggy. Hello there. It is I, your furry pal Grover. I have just driven this cute little sled all the way from Alaska. And you know what? pooped. Yeah, you too, doggy. Huh, but not too pooped to tell you what I learned. Traveling the world is so educational. Did you know that in Alaska, the winters are very, very, very cold? That is why I am wearing this stylish Alaskan ensemble, you see? Yes. Yes, thank you, doggy, yes. And do you know what else? In Alaska, winter is called Ukiok. Yes, believe me, trust me, okay? Ukiok, is that not an adorable sounding word? Huh? Say it with me now, slowly. Ukiok. Ukiok. Yes. Oh, I love to say that word. Ukiok. No. Not arf arf. Ukiok. The accent is in the uk. What did you say? Oh, really? If you do not believe me, huh? Watch this. Roll it. I said roll it, polar bear.
I wake up in my house. It's called a two-pick each day. And I dress just like you do, but the old Alaskan way. I wear my regular clothes underneath, but because of the Arctic chill, my aka makes me bundle up like mothers always will. Put on your kami kluk to stay warm and dry. Lace up your tutu look and you're stepping high. Slip on your atit, put your nastone on your head with pride. A pair of atik and you're ready, 'cause it's Ukiuk and it's cold outside. Now it's off to Aglavik, just like all the other Iliugat. Where I come from, Ukiuk is winter, and winter is really Ukiuk.
See what I told you, doggy? Yeah, and there you have it. Winter in Alaska. Ukiok. Yeah. And now it is time for me to go home and rest after my long journey. Mush! What? You want to go back to Alaska now? Oh, no, I do not think so, doggy. No. Hey, doggy, we have already come a long way, and I am quite pooped. And I feel...
Ukiok.
Nina thinks Nina's not ready to look after a donkey or a chicken. Maybe Nina wants another pet.
Like what?
Something that is easier to take care of.
Hey, Nino. What if I gave you your own plant to take care of from my garden?
Really, Bushy? Really?
Yeah.
Okay, which plant is for Nino?
How about this one here? Hey!
Oh, Mushy, this is the most beautiful plant that Nino has ever seen.
Hey, I'm glad you like it, Nino.
Like it, Mushy. Nina loves it. Nina's gonna call this plant Toto. What's it, Toto? You want to go for a walk? Okay, come. Toto wants to go this way.
Sheila's.
Guys, when is the show going to start, yeah?
Any minute now, Mushy.
Yeah.
Is everybody excited?
Yay!
Oh, everybody excited?
Yebo!
Hey,
Yeah, okay.
But where's Nino? It's going to be late.
I don't know. He said he'll meet us here.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I would like to present to you the most amazing dog you have ever seen. And Today we have a very special guest on our show.
Wow! Molemo, did you hear that?
Hey, Moshe. Nano is in the show with the amazing dog.
Yeah!
Mona Sheila.
Yeah,
Can you...
come on.
Hey, Shapa, Mosad.
Say hello, Toto.
Hey.
Oh, sure. You. Wow.
Woohoo! And now for the grand finale. Take it away, Neno.
That was good, eh? That was great. That was wow.
That was a clever dog.
Hey! Almost as clever as a dog I saw water skiing on the back of a boat. Yay!
Oh,
Nanos! You're my man. Why?
Did you see Neno?
Yeah!
Neno,
Did you see what Neno did?
You were great, man. Toto!
Yes, he was. And I've offered Neno to be part of our dog show anytime he wants.
Nellie's gonna miss Toto the duck.
Toto says he will miss you too. But he will come and visit you very soon.
Thank you. Yes.
Guys, Neno can also speak dog. Watch this.
Wow!
That means
You.
goodbye, Toto.
Toto, we've got to go now. Come on, Toto.
Bye-bye, Toto. Bye-bye.
Takalani Sesame was made possible by the generous support of Sanlam. Takalani Sesame is aligned to the Department of Basic Education's curriculum, which lays solid foundations in early childhood education. Takalani Sesame is produced by Kwasuka Sugela for the SABC in association with Sesame Workshop. Visit us at www.takalanisesame.co.za. Visit us on Facebook at takalani.sesame.edu.
Sanlam. Thinking ahead.